At first, Ray and I wanted to use one Arduino to send instructions to another one through Bluetooth, telling it how to control a small RC car. So I went to Goodwill, got a small battery-powered car to use it as a base for our design. One of the problems we encountered was that the base of this vehicle wasn't able to turn because the front wheels were attached straight to the skeleton. So Ray took the car home, took off the front wheels, and remounted them on an axis that we could then attach to a servo in order to make them turn. Then we got started on the controller. We used a joystick module, make the car move forward, backwards, left and right, and turned on the horn, and we would have... With the controller basically done, we started working on the RC car itself. However, we encountered a problem. We didn't know how to make the motor turn in both ways, indicating forwards and backwards. So we looked it up online and found out that if we used a motor driver, we could change the current of the circuit, making the motor spin in either direction. We decided to get two cs362 Bluetooth modules because they had both the capabilities to be in slave or master mode, and we would have needed master mode on the controller and slave for the RC car itself. We didn't use Arduino communication at first because we thought it would be pretty difficult, so instead we used an app to get some preliminary tests done.
Is it working? I don't know if this is. We might have to put on a different power.
Oh, we're running out of...
Yeah, because we only have 5.
And here's some of the inputs that the Arduino got from the app and what they indicated. Throughout the project there were a lot of problems. It's kind of hard to list them all, so here's just a few.
Ground. But when we hit the button, it doesn't work. If we plug this directly into power, we have lights. Very strange.
In the end, we decided to throw both of the Arduinos on the same car because we figured out one of the Bluetooth modules ended up not working and it was too late to order a new one. And so this one right here, it controls the steering and the acceleration, and then this one just controls the lights and the horn. So this is our final setup. We've got the top of the car, just so you know what it actually is. Over here we got the cs362 Bluetooth module attached to a small breadboard. On the inside we got one of the Arduinos and this thing, which supplies power to everything via the battery on top. Down here, I don't know if you can see it, is the buzzer for the horn. We've got wires connecting up top to the headlights, and the base, which we had to improvise because this thing is not stable at all. Also, this is where the motor driver is located, and all the wires.
Yes, there it goes.
Yeah, it was the fact that the thing had pulled the battery. Is that what steers it, or?
No, front end's supposed to steer, but it keeps...
Turn on the headlights.
Huh?
Turn on the headlights.
Velcro or something, or?
Yeah, it's